Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on LastPass. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up the particular app on your phone. Then right over here you're gonna go to this option of create an account. You're gonna enter your email right over here. Then once you're done, tap on this option of create my account. Now you simply have to create yourself a master password. Once you're done, tap on this confirm the password and re-enter your password. Once you're done, tap on this option of set master password. Tap on, and then there you go, your account has been created. You can use Face ID if you would like, or you can simply make sure to add it later. And there you go, you have successfully signed. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.